Alright, before I continue with the 70s, we have to memorize something first. Even though this number you can have some other tricks to do it, but in order to get faster, so we need to memorize some numbers. So technically it's not that tough to memorize. If you have 1 day or 2 days to do it, you can be done very fast, right? Let's do the 20s. So we do 21 square, 22 square, 23 square, and 24 square. And then 26 square, 27 square, 28 square, and 29 square. So 21 square is 441. You notice that 12 square equal to 144. 21 is reverse of 12. You can reverse it and then reverse back 441. So 21 square is very easy to memorize. So 22 square is 484. 23 square is 529. This one is 576. Now, at the moment, it will take some time to memorize just these four numbers, four groups. Forget about this first. So it take about like 5-10 minutes. Okay. Then after you memorize, then continue. But when you memorize, you remember you have to learn along, like jump around the numbers. Let's say I ask you 23 square, you should tell me 529 right away. Not just put them in order. You can answer them without in the order. Okay. So you can pause for a few minutes to study those first, then you can come back for the rest. Alright, now I'll continue with this one. The 676 is just like 24 square, just 100 more. This is 729, 784, and 841. So there's some way to do it. You can check like 27 square looks like reverse the 72, like 72, 72, and 9. 7 plus 2 is 9, 729. When you memorize something, there are no tricks. You're just memorizing. Like 29 square. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 is 2 square, which is 4. So they are very random. So when you memorize something, you just find a very creative way or find your own story to memorize them until you get used to it. Until you don't need to use those things to memorize. You just know it. Okay? So this one is going to help you for the 70s. If you understand those, we can do the 70s. Okay, you take about pausing them for a while and come back to the 70s. Alright, let's start from 70s. 71 square, 72 square, 73, 74, 76, 78, 7, 78, and 79. 70, you can be doing both ways. You can do from the 50s or you can base on the 90s. So of course when based on 90s is easier. So it's just on 90s and 80s. For example 71. 71 square is 29 less than 100, so it's minus 29. You get a 42 here. So you put a 42. 29 square is 841. 841 plus 8. So you get 5041. Let's do 72 square. 72 is 28 less than 100, so 72 minus 78, you get a 44. So you have 44. 28 square is 784. 74 is 5184. So 73 square is 27 less than 100, minus 27, you get a 46. 27 square is 729. 729, 7 here is 53, 29. So it's pretty simple, but you have to memorize your 20s, then you're going to be faster. So you can pause the video for a few minutes and try to do the rest. You come back for the answers. Okay, let's come back here. So you notice that 74 is 26 is 100. 74 minus 26 you got 48. 26 square you got 676. So it's 5476. 76 square is 24 less than 100. You got 52. So 24 is 576. 5776. 77. So you notice that 77 is 23 less than 100. So you got a 54. 54. 23 is 529. 529 you got 5929. 78 is 22 less than 100, which is 56. 22 is 484, is 6084. 79 is 21 less than 100, you got as 58. 21 is 441, so it's 6241. Okay, hope this will help. So I will see you next time then.